My dear students of Begum Rohim Islam College, welcome to our online class for honors level. I will take this class for first year B honors in English under the National University. You know, my dear students, all educational institutions across the country of Bangladesh and also in most countries of the world are closed for the epidemic virus COVID-19. From now, we will take our all honors classes online. Are you ready to our class? We all teachers of Department of English are ready to take your classes. At first, I am introduce me. I am Mukta Begum, lecturer and head of the Department of English, Begum Rohim Islam College, Shoshibhushan Corporation Bola. Dear students, now I am starting my class. Today our topic is English writing skills for the students of English honors first year under the National University. Today you will learn what is language skills, what is writing skills, next characteristics of writing. At last I will discuss why writing skills are important. Now we learn what is language skills. The meaning of the skills is the ability or power to do something especially or skillfully. A skill is a kind of expert activity which needs a lot of practice. When we learn our language, there are 4 skills that we need for complete communication. And when we learn our native language, we usually used to first listen, then to speak, then to read, and finally then to write. These are called the 4 skills language. The 4 language skills are sometimes called macro skills. This is in contrast to the micro skills, which are things like grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation and spelling. Through listening and reading we receive messages, so these are called respective skills. Similarly, while speaking and writing, we produce language for giving message to the listeners or readers. These are called the productive skills. So, we can say the 4 skills are acquired in language is listening, speaking, reading and writing. The last skills, writing, is that the learner must acquire is the ability to express his heart through written form. We call these skills of writing. It begins with the mastery to the script of words and of sentence. It goes on to most difficult, such as talking dictions, answering questions, describing things, writing essays or compositions and letter, etc. Now, we know what is writing skills. Writing skills is one of the basic 4 language skills. It is an important mode of the communications. Dear students, writing is one of the basic language skills. It is an expressive and productive art like speaking. It is obviously an important mode of communication. Among the other language skills, writing is considered to be the most difficult, though it can be acquired. Instant practice. In fact, writing is both physical and mental act. Writing is a process of communications using some graphic system. We convey message to our readers. So, we can say writing is process of communication, a convey graphic system and a tool for conventional message. This is writing skills. Hello students, now we learn what is characteristics of writing. If we analyze the definitions of writing, we may have following characteristics of writing, such as writing is a producing skill. Something is produced through writing. It is related to language and so it is a linguistic process. Next, writing is a means of communication. This communication occurs between writer and reader. Next, it is related to literacy. Without literacy, writing is not possible. Next character, it is a creative process because a self opinion can be built up through writing. Next character, writing is a combination of many aspects, that is why it is a complex process. It is a written expression of our thoughts and feelings. Writing is an action and this action is both physical and mental. And last character, writing is a sequence of well organized words and it is purposive. Everybody writes something having a clear purpose in mind. At last, I will discuss why are writing skills important. Dear students, this is our last topics. Why are writing skills important? Digital technology makes a lot of things simpler. It is also causing some cherished forms of communication like letter writing to become almost obsolete. But a surprising paradox of digital technology is the emphasis it's placed on writing skill. Though we live in an era where print media is faltering and people and write and mail letters out of novelty rather than necessity, writing skills are still important. In fact, it can be argued that they are even more important now than ever. It has always been important for professionals and academics to use proper grammar and communicate well. But now it is increasingly important for more people to have good writing skills. The reasons for that are many, but the two main forces in play are the internet and highly competitive job market. Though some see the rise of digital media as the death of writing, the internet actually makes unprecedented use of text. Newspapers were of course written in type, but they did not allow for the reader interactions that news websites have. and though a resume and cover letter have long been staples of a job search, the ability to make our applications packet stand out is a major step in even being considered for a position. My dear students, it is all for today. See you later. Allah Hafiz.